excited to see you back in the art studio. Do you know what we're going to be drawing today? I'll give you a hint. We just started a new season. In this season, it rains a lot, it's a little bit sunny and starts to warm up, and the flowers start to come out. That's right, we're going to draw a whole bunch of my favorite spring things. Are you excited? If I go a little bit too fast for you, you can pause the video and then press play when you're ready to start again. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so what we're going to use today is, of course, our white paper. But if you don't have white paper, you can use any color of paper. I have a black marker and I have a tablecloth that I put down just to help protect my table. If you don't have a tablecloth, make sure that you put some scrap paper under your paper that you're going to draw on, just to protect your table. Oh, and of course, whoa, I also have many colorful markers. Okay, so the first thing that I always think of when I think of spring is rain. And in order to get rain, we need clouds. So let's start by drawing some clouds. I think I'm going to draw 3 clouds. Okay, and one more. You know what? I'm going to put these ones really close together. Okay, there we have 3 clouds. Now, you know what else I think of when I think of spring is sunshine. So let's put a sun behind this cloud, because in the spring it starts to get warm and sunny and the flowers start growing. There we go. Oh, of course, I didn't put any raindrops. We need rain. So can you think of something that you see on a rainy day, but on a rainy day when the sun also happens to be out? What do you see sometimes? Do you know? That's right, sometimes we see a rainbow. So let's put a rainbow coming out of this cloud, going off the page. So we need 7 spots for our colors. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 more. 6, 7. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, so now we have our 3 clouds. We have a rainbow, we have rain, and we have sun. What do you need when it's rainy outside? What do you need to help yourself stay nice and dry? That's right, we need an umbrella. Let's draw an umbrella. Umbrella is going to be a striped umbrella. I'm going to just do a little thingy at the top, and of course we need our handle. Okay, we have an umbrella to help keep our bodies and our heads dry. What about our feet? Let's draw some rain boots. So we're going to draw a little oval at the top. That's for the opening of your boot. There's one. Let's put 2. There we go. And you can draw any design that you want. I'm going to do a stripe at the top. A heart. And you might be able to see just a little bit of the heart on the other one. So I'm just going to do like that. There we go. There are 2 rainbows. What else do we see in the spring? Of course, we start to see many birds. So let's do a bird over here. Oh, this is very cute. The tail, we can draw a little triangle for the tail there. Give our bird some details, and of course, some little feet. And we can't forget our bird's beak and eyes. Oh, that bird is beautiful. Okay, so we have our rainbow, our clouds, our sun, our rain, our umbrella, boots, and our bird. What else do we see in the spring? Oh, of course, we see flowers. My favorite kind of spring flowers are tulips. So let's try to draw some tulips. Tulips are so beautiful and they're really easy to draw. You need a stem all the way down, and then some leaves. Perfect. Okay, let's draw another one. We'll draw a little one right next to it. And our leaves. Oh, and these leaves are going to go behind our other tulip. We can put a little bit of details in. Perfect. I'm going to do another one right over here. Oh my goodness. And my favorite, you know what? Can you think of something that really, really likes flowers? Let me draw a little one and see if you can guess what I'm drawing. Do you know what it is? Look, it's a little happy bee. Why do you think the bee is happy? I think the bee is happy because he just left the flowers. Let's do a little trail for him. There you go. Oh, you know what we should do? Why don't we write the word spring? I've got some room at the top. So, do you know how we spell the word spring? We need a sp sound. What do you think that is? It goes S, sp, P, R, ing, spring. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? A little heart over my eye. How cute is that? And we need to finish our ing sound. There we go. I-N-G. Spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. Perfect. Okay, we're all done. Now I'm going to color my picture. All right, did you have fun drawing our spring picture today? I sure did. It's so beautiful. Oh, I almost forgot. If you drew the spring picture and you want to send it to me, maybe I might put it in my next drawing video. You can ask an adult to look in the description for instructions on where to send your drawing. Okay, thanks for coming by, and I hope to see you again for our next drawing. Bye-bye.